Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block ads on AliExpress using your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. After you are in the website, make sure you are logged in with your AliExpress account. Once you are logged in this home page, here you can see the profile icon at the top right. Tap on it. Now if you scroll down, here you can see the settings option. Tap on it. In the settings menu, here you can see manage email subscription option. Tap on it. Here you can see different price alerts, recommendations and announcements are enabled. So you can disable all these notifications in order to block the ads. Tap on this button to disable it. Once you disable all the options, you can no longer see ads on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.